So, you've got a credit score that's seen better days, maybe somewhere between the 300s and low 600s, and you keep hearing about the Milestone credit card. You're probably wondering, is this the card that will finally approve me? We're going to tell you the real score you need to get this card. But more importantly, we'll uncover if it's a smart tool to build your credit or a costly trap that could set you back hundreds. Let's start with the good stuff, because there is some. The Milestone card is built for people who are rebuilding their credit. You can even see if you pre-qualify without a hard inquiry tanking your score. Best of all, it reports to all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, which is exactly what you need to build a positive payment history. It's also an unsecured card, so you don't need to put down a security deposit to get it. Now, let's talk about the catch, and it's a big one. This card is loaded with fees. Depending on your credit, you could be looking at a first-year annual fee as high as $175. That fee gets charged the second your account opens, which instantly chews into your available credit. On top of that, the interest rate is a sky-high 35.9%. If you carry even a small balance, the interest charges will pile up fast. For example, if you get approved for a common $700 credit limit with that $175 annual fee, you're left with only $525 of usable credit before you even swipe the card once. So, what's the magic credit score you actually need? Well, here's the real answer. There is no official minimum score. While data suggests that applicants often have scores above 500, the card is designed for people with poor credit, and many people with scores in the low 500s and 600s get approved. However, approval is never a guarantee. But listen, just because you can get this card doesn't mean you should. Instead of applying right away, we urge you to take action where it really matters. Check your real credit score, the one lenders actually use, and carefully review your credit report for any costly errors. The best part is you can access all of this for almost free for 7 days. The link to get started is waiting for you in the video description. Here's the deal. The Milestone card should probably be your last resort. It can be a tool to build credit, but only if you are disciplined enough to pay the balance in full every single month to dodge those brutal fees and interest. For most people looking to build credit, a good secured card is a much smarter and cheaper path to a better credit score.